All right. So, any closing remarks you would like to sort of leave with in terms of, you know, that sustainability? What is the future of sustainability of green building materials?
Clean air, clean water, clean soil. These are the three things that humankind today cannot escape from. We need to make sure that every action of ours is going back to see to it that we are good. We are keeping our soil, our water, our air clean. So we cannot afford to pollute anymore. So it is each one's responsibility to think of contribute and to make it a lifestyle. It's high time that we make sustainability a lifestyle. If you see Indian practices, we have always lived in the most sustainable way. Most of our lifestyles in the traditional practices have always been very sustainable, and I think we have to go back to that. Yes, technology is required today, but not to an extent where we use technology to measure the air that we breathe, to measure the quality of air. We do not need the air purifiers. We do not need the air index to measure the quality of air. We have a 5 senses which we can relate to. So in a similar way, we have a responsibility to keep water in our lakes, to rivers, to everywhere clean. We need to figure out a way. Pumping water from rivers which are far away is not the solution. We need to figure out a way where we harvest the rainwater that is on our own rooftop and utilize that water. So sustainability should become a trend, should become a fashionable practice. We need a lot of practitioners, a lot of architects, thinkers, designers to start following green practices and to introduce it to the masses, so that it just becomes a lifestyle, a way of life. We do not have any more time to think that and stay far away from this kind of a practice.
Absolutely. I mean, that was very nicely put across that, it has to start from an individual. We cannot wait for someone to sort of, clean the air or clean everything around us.
Yes.
And yes, of course, it's about living the healthy life. It's about choosing the right thing. When we can choose the right food, the organic food, I think choosing what you build your home with is, I mean, it's not equally very, very important, right? Because it's for a very, very long time and for future generations. I think that's a very important point that you have touched upon, and that was great. Thank you so much.